Hello everyone, I have very new things to say. Well, in this video I wanted to show you the first things that we can do now that we have the direct control of the machine, not depending on an external device. So the first thing that I wanted to do is to check that all the pumping system can be controlled from here, and also I wanted to do a cleaning of the injector. Well, I have to say something before that. Remember, in previous videos we changed this 996 photodiode array detector external from the whole device. We take it out by changing some things in here and by using the display and changing some options. But I forget to say that although our system was now redirecting, let me move this, redirecting the sample, this is the flow from here and now connected to our internal LCM UV lamp, here, and goes there. I forget to mention, I also have to connect this, I forget to mention where the waste now came out. Because I thought, I didn't think about it, and I thought now that I was testing the flow things, that it was going to go from here, again, out, right to the bottle. But it is not, because we are not now connected to this external device. So, I take a look in here, and it seems that behind this input valve, input tube, there is another one with a metal tube. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to put this, well, it's behind it. Okay, maybe from this perspective, you can take it. So, it goes here, and here, and now I put this connection with the tape and put it in the bottle because I was testing. Another thing that I wanted to test because, well, I changed all these two things because I thought it wasn't taking anything from the bottle. Well, I have to say that only takes, yes, now as we have set up the system, it only takes from one of these things, not the other. The other is with air. I don't know if you can check it. You can see there are some droplets, but this is totally full of water. This is water with an anti-algae, okay? So, it takes, and now, well, it takes from the bottle, this is the solvent, goes in here through the column, ultraviolet detector internal of the device, and goes outside from this tube, again here. I have to say also that if you want this system to work properly, this thing here that you can move, I don't know if you have to focus, you say is running here. You can also put from injection, run, and you also have draw. Well, this thing here is just to take out all the air bubbles from the system, so you can use a syringer to put some solvent on the system, or just to take and remove from the bottles, okay? But you can only do that if this is put it on draw option, draw, okay? If you want the system to flow over it and then go to waste, that should be put it on run. Because I was doing some tests on draw, and the flow, it didn't flow anything. But so it seems to be working, but it was not. So you have to put in here run, and the system will run. Another thing, if you want this system, if you want to use this syringer to purge the system, you have to first of all do a flowing of the system, selecting the bottle you want to use the solvent. In this case is A, this bottle is A, B, C, D, and the percent is 100%. And once you got it and you run a little bit of the flow, you can stop and you can use the syringer to purge the system. But if you want to go back, well, run, draw, and if you want to go back, run again, okay? So now it's pretty easy. If you want this system to run, you have to just put some flow in here, and once you put enter, as I selected this first, there is no injection, I just want this to flow. Just have to say enter. The system will, doesn't have to take this into account because it doesn't work yet. But once you put the system to be flowing, yeah, you see that this is now my new waste tube. It's taking out the liquid from the bottle. Okay, no injection yet. In the next video, we'll try what's going on with the injection.